My first drum brake job, y'all. I hope I did it right. My first drum brake job.
This is a dangerous group. This is groups that we're dealing with now.
Yeah, I'm a bass at it.
Bobbing down, bobbing, knocking pictures off the wall. 15 didn't see no wires, and then I heard a boom from the amplifiers.
Yeah, I'm a bass at it.
What's going on, fam? It's your boy Bass at it.
I'm a bass at it.
And then I heard a boom from the amplifiers. Bobbing down, bobbing, knocking pictures off.
All right, guys. So what's up? What's going on? As y'all can see, I got a real job going on. Hey, that shit rhyme. But did my first time doing drum breaks, man. And I did study the University of YouTube, and I got it done. My partner just left in the side by side. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna throw a clip in here. He helped me bleed the brakes and all that good stuff, but my first time doing drum breaks, y'all pray for me. I did realize I do need another master cylinder in the back in the drum, so I do that at another date because they is leaking a little bit, so they need to be replaced. But I had to replace them because these brakes were squeaking like crazy. And the crazy part about it, as y'all can see, the ones I took off, basically brand new, but they were glazed over. Now I could have hit them with some sandpaper and all that, but I had already ordered some more drum brakes, so I figured why not just fix the problem side, then tomorrow I do the other side because I got to pick my daughter up. So only thing left to do now is throw that big ass wheel back on, make sure my spacer tight because I ain't trying to lose no damn tie, and that'll be pretty much it, man. But behind the scene, Bass at it has been working, man. Y'all seen in the short, me and my son replaced the headlights. I had to tighten my wires up and all that. Y'all see how I got that ran. Look pretty damn good, I ain't gonna cap. Got to put some old tape up there because I only had electrical tape to tie it off. But I made use zip tie, get some black zip ties and redo it. But everything coming together. Y'all see I redid the shroud. Redid the bumper because that shit was gray. Redid that. We just bled all 4 brakes. But I redid this bumper because it was gray. So I haven't been posting no real content for real because I've been doing stuff to the truck on the low, and I've been working my ass off because I'm trying to get some stuff. Y'all know when I go cold turkey, I be trying to upgrade and all that good shit. Y'all know how it go. So that was in the works. I'm planning to upgrade, but I've been sitting back playing crazy, saving money, and I don't want to give y'all no repetitive content. Just getting y'all demos of the truck and all that, and ain't never really changed. That's repetitive. So y'all stay on the lookout, man. A real short, quick update video of what's been going on. These are all the brand new pad for the other side. Like I say, my first time ever doing drum brakes, and I got to get all my new springs and all that good stuff together so I won't lose that, so I can do the other side tomorrow. But hopefully everything work out good. And I did have to purchase a new damn jack because I only had a 2-ton jack and it wasn't gonna hold the truck up. So I had to spend a little bread to get me a new 3-ton jack, and it doing its job. Got to get a bigger goddamn jack stand. That's a 2-ton. I need a 3-ton at least. But that's what been going on, y'all. I just been cooling, to be honest with y'all, man. I had to take a mental break from YouTube because sometimes a lot of creators ain't gonna tell you, but that shit gets stressful sometimes. It do. And recording videos and all that stuff is a job, bro. Especially if you want your video to come out right, you want your editing right, you want the right background music. If you trying to do that shit for real with the editing and produce a great video, that shit takes time, bro. It really do. And I done got to the point where I can record and edit all over my phone and everything. And I can do it fairly quickly, but life goes on outside of that. So sometimes you have to put that on the back burner and do what you got to do as a man. or female if you're a content creator, you got to handle your business sometimes. Sometimes you have to take a mental break. Unless you made it to the point where YouTube is your day-to-day 9-to-5 job and that's what you do when you wake up. And I ain't made it to that point yet. Hopefully with y'all help we can, and y'all be getting content daily. But for those that don't know, I do drive trucks and all that good stuff. So my ass be out on the road trying to get these loads in because I get paid by the load, not by the hour. So I be trying to get these loads in so I can upgrade. That what that be. That just happened out of nowhere. Somebody just fired off a shot. I'm guessing he found the snake or some shit like that right there and killed it, because my son and my cousin just killed the snake in the country. I throw that up here too.
One shot,
Yeah,
on
one shot on them.
Fuck wrong with that?
It's snake season, so if you see one out here in the country, we pop them bitches if they big enough. If they big enough, we pop them. I mean, that's just how it is. And ain't nobody out here about to call the police on that. That's just how it is in the country. Can't do that in the city. Your ass going to jail. That was unscripted. But like I said, this what Bass had been having going on, man. Just upgrading the truck. This is a 15-year-old truck and my only transportation, so I got to do what I got to do to keep this motherfucker reliable and ready to go until I get me something else. I do have my eyes on something else. It's another older vehicle, but it's a gem. Don't put it like that. It's a gem. It's an older vehicle, but it's a gem. Only thing I'm gonna tell y'all is it's a Charger. It's a Charger I got my eyes on around about the year 2013, 2014. But when I say it's a gem, I'm gonna put it like this. That was the Scat Pack before they made the Scat Pack. And if you know exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. Real quick update video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I ain't posting no content in a while, but this all Bass Addict been doing, man. Like, I've been upgrading the truck. Next, I'm gonna change my tail lights out because they old and been on the truck for about 4 or 5 years, and it's definitely time for some more, man. Y'all can't see it, but it's definitely time for some more. I already did the third brake light and all that good shit. Did the headlight, cleaned my fog lights because they get cloudy and start turning yellow, so I broke my fog light down. I broke those down, cleaned them, repainted them so they won't look gray and all that good stuff. So I just been upgrading around here low-key, but I just wanted to tap in and let y'all know what's up, man. Audio upgrades are on the way. It's something else that needs to be upgraded and that this truck is missing, so I can turn those amps up a little more. Y'all read between the lines. Y'all don't know what upgrade I'm talking about. It's gonna be a big one too. But I'm about to go and throw all this shit back on, clean my mess up, get all my new parts together so I won't lose nothing, and sit back and chill with my little son, my youngest son, until my oldest daughter ready for me to pick up. But with all that said, man, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe like y'all have been doing. And Bass Addict out with another one, just a quick update video. Had to show my face, look like it about to rain, so I need to get this shit together ASAP. This your boy Bass Addict checking out with another one. We are, oh yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse of a song that I'm working on, because my son, my oldest son, and my nephews, they got me back in the studio, y'all. They got me back in the studio. They got me back recording. They got me back doing all that. But I'm going to give y'all a snippet of something that I'm getting ready to drop. It's not done yet. But y'all leave y'all comments in the comment section below. Let me know if that motherfucker may be a hit. Would you play it at your function or what? But stay to the end of the video and y'all hear what the hell I'm talking about. It's only a snippet because the song ain't done yet. I got my verse, but I haven't recorded it yet. But I did lay down the hook, which is the chorus. So, y'all, I'm going to let y'all hear the chorus, and we're going to end the video all right here. Get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think of the song. And me and my son got to finish it. And hopefully it's something that we can put out there that y'all can play at y'all family function. Good music, none of that gangster shit, none of that I kill you, spin the blood, none of that shit. I'm about to be 35 years old, so I'm on. Y'all see what I'm on once y'all hear it. But this is boy Bass Addict checking out with another one. We are